Hey Google, turn on the air conditioner. This is TCL's latest X-Series air conditioner with TCL Fresh Air system that features a dedicated fresh air duct and easy clean 4-layer filter to offer a better and healthier air quality. It also has gentle breeze mode that allows the cool air to flow in a way that is natural, breeze-like and more comfortable for different family members with the multiple air conditioning scenarios. Not only that, but it's easy to install and it can connect with your Smart TV, phone and any compatible devices via TCL Home App or Google Assistant. So it's easy to turn on and off, adjust the speed and temperature or select various functions.